Here we have a 71 plate Ford Transit Custom. Now this vehicle comes with the Raptor style front grille. We have the LED daytime running headlights, Moondust silver exterior paintwork. We also have the colour coded door handles and door mirrors. We have the 18-inch MSRT style alloy wheels, all of which in excellent condition and unmarked. We do also have the roof rails up top, along with the rear spoiler as well. Now we do have front and rear parking sensors with a visual display inside. Taking a quick look at the interior, you'll find the cloth seats. Both the outer seats of the driver's seat and also the far passenger are also heated. Got the armrest just here for the driver. You have the electric mirrors, electric windows, automatic lights down here, multifunctional steering wheel. Take a seat inside, you find that we have the dashboard just here in front of us with a digital screen in the centre. We also have a USB port and a 12-volt connectivity just above there. We put a foot on the clutch and then turn the vehicle on. Just make sure the volume is turned down. You'll find the volume buttons as well here on the steering wheel, speedometer and the cruise control on the left, phone connectivity buttons just there on the right. Dashboard is free from any warning lights. We've got the digital speedometer in the centre. Main infotainment screen just here. It's currently showing the radio stations. If you click on two sources, you'll find the other options. You'll find the Bluetooth audio as well. Bluetooth phone connectivity for phone calls. We have the mobile apps. Onto settings. We can scroll through and you'll find Android Auto just there. Further down, we have the climate control, heated seats either side and the ice-cold air conditioning. As you can see, all working as they should do. 12-volt connectivity and another USB port down there. 6-speed manual gearbox. Put it into reverse, you'll find the parking sensors appear on the screen, and back into neutral just like so. Got another cup holder just down here which can fold out. Manual handbrake as well in the centre. That's all I'm going to show you guys today. If you'd like to find out more, please check out the website. This vehicle comes with a fresh service, fresh MOT and free nationwide delivery. Thank you for watching. Video test drive of this Ford Transit Custom. Now the purpose of the video test drive is to show the vehicle that drives as you expect it to. As you can see, I'm about to fire up the steering to keep it in a straight line, not going off to the left or to the right hand side. Now we're doing the multifunction steering wheel, which has the volume buttons here on the left hand side, along with the speedometer and the cruise control. You then have the digital screen in the centre of the dashboard, which can show different bits of information. If you do listen carefully throughout the video test drive, you'll also notice you'll be free from any unwanted knocks or bangs. Now we do also have the heated seats at the front. Both the outer seat, the driver's seat and the far passenger seat are both heated, which is perfect for them cold winter mornings. They're also really comfortable. You need to do plenty of miles in this vehicle and still get out feeling fresh. You then have the main infotainment screen. It's currently showing the radio stations, but also has plenty of other features on there you would have seen on the photos. For example, we have the Bluetooth phone connectivity. We do also have the climate control below there with the ice-cold air conditioning, perfect for the hot summer days. 6-speed manual gearbox as well, which is really smooth going through all the gears. We also have plenty of cup holders throughout the vehicle. Now in a moment we are about to take a right hand turn onto the industrial park, so if we put our right indicator on now, we're going to slow down, wait for this car to go past, and then we're going to take the right hand turn onto the industrial park, and I will perform an emergency stop now in 3, 2 and 1. Hard onto the brakes. Put the car into reverse, we've got the parking sensors appear on the screen, back into first with no issues whatsoever. Now if this video hasn't answered all your questions, then please feel free to get in contact with our sales team, where they can answer all unanswered questions, along with running through some inquiries with you. That's all for me today though, cheers.